Okay, back to assembly stuff. The nightmare of the camshaft that didn't want a camshaft is done, and we can move forward. Okay. Don't fall. I've used this on every engine I've assembled. Like literally the same goopy tube from my Honda days on Ford, and never had any problems. I know that roller cams are not as likely or as suspect to get screwed up on your break-in as like a flat tappet cam would, but it doesn't hurt. I mean, I bought this probably for like, is there a price tag still on it? So probably $4 or $5, and I want to say it was around probably 2000. So yeah, probably later than that, probably 2006. So 6 from 19, you do the math. And that's how long this bitch has been in commission. Okay, go back in. Go back in there, Mr. Camshaft. Yes, you did leave that lifter in there. Okay. Turn. Turn, Bernie burn. Oh yeah. You are feeling super. I'm super. Thanks for asking. Man, I'm having a rough day. Y'all just have a rough day every once in a while? Nothing wants to go right? Holy cow, am I having a hard time today. Don't know how many foot-pounds this is supposed to be, but it's about to get all of them. I had the these bolts in finger tight, and only 2 of them when I was degreeing the cam. Probably counted for most of that, like extra couple degrees. I had that cam in and out so many times I was just done with it, so you'll have to forgive me. I do try to entertain you all. I hope, if nothing else, it's at least entertaining. Dance for me. Dance for me and make me laugh, monkey. 27 foot-pounds seems reasonable, right? I think it was supposed to be 18, but it just didn't feel like enough. So he gave it a little gusto. Get it done. Okay, yes, everything is looking nice now. Look at us go. Look at us flow. Waka waka waka. Waka waka waka. Let's go. Look at us flow. Watch me calling out for Mo. Take a look underneath, see what we got going on the mill. Oh yeah, everything looks good down here. Okay, well, apparently we need different buckets because these guys aren't going in. So the problem is there's this little tab here and here, and then on the other side they're here and here. And then we try to get these guys to go in, that's obviously in the way. So I wasn't aware that they made different buckets, so hooray. Jesus. So I guess that's as far as we go tonight. Get to Jegs and order new lifter buckets. At least get to shop for car parts. I mean, every dark cloud has a silver lining. Whenever you're on Struggle Street, like I am today, you can always remember if it was easy, everybody'd be doing it. So until next time, this is Mike Monkey Fab signing out.